Dear law student, I'm going to be honest with you for a second. You are not special. My name is Marco Brown, and I own Brown Family Law in Salt Lake City, Utah. And again, you are not special, okay? You're going to come out of law school and you are going to have to work and work really, really hard to be successful as a lawyer. You're not special, okay? No one's going to hand this to you, right? That's just the reality of the situation. I can tell you right now it's 2022, and this is a really good market for people coming out of law school, okay? So people think that stuff's just getting handed to them. Law students think stuff's getting handed to them. It's not going to be like that for very long. I can tell you that. This is going to shift, right? And when it shifts and it becomes an employer market instead of an employee market, then all of this, all these perks and all these things that you're enjoying right now, they're all going to go away. And maybe you're watching this 3-4 years in the future and you think, oh yeah, I wish I had graduated in 2021 or 22, but all that stuff's gone away. Okay, again, you're not special. You're going to have to work at this. I started my law firm in 2010. It was right in the middle of the Great Recession and kind of maybe the tail end of it. But when I started, I worked an $8.50 an hour job, okay, to pay rent, to pay groceries for my family. It was what was required of me. So I'd work 50, 60 hours a week in the law firm, trying to build that up. And then I would go work this $8.50 an hour job. I think I went up to $12.50 an hour by the end of that job, but I started at $8.50. It was actually the job I had during undergrad, okay? I came back here to Utah where I went to undergrad, and I went back to the CEO of the company and said, hey, Mark, can I have this base level job? Because I really, I need something while I'm starting up. And he said, yeah, sure. So he hooked me up with it, but he did not give me any special treatment, man. I mean, I was in upper management in this company, and he set me back at the bottom, okay? And I worked it. And I did well at it because that was what was required of me. And then, I mean, this is a crazy job. I was helping people with mental incapacities live in the community. So I had to change diapers. I remember got in a fight with a guy. He busted down a door and ran at me, and it was bad. Okay, I went through tons and tons of garbage because it was absolutely necessary for me to be successful at the law firm. Okay, and that is the way you need to think. Do not get complacent here because you happen to have a good economy right now. This is going to turn, okay? You're going to have to prove yourself because you are not special. So start right now proving yourself, working as hard as you possibly can. Never ever rest on your laurels because of an economy. Make your own future. If you do extraordinarily well and you work really hard and are a good attorney and know the marketing piece and know how to close and sell people, potential clients, you're going to be successful. If you never learn that because you're sitting on your laurels because, again, it's a good economy right now, it's an employee economy, you're going to get screwed, okay? There's going to be no love lost between you and your employer, and you are not going to move up, and you're going to get cast by the wayside. So do everything you possibly can to do your job as well as you possibly can because you are not special. All right, until next time, I appreciate it.